just arriving in Vegas, and we are staying at Paris this time. We haven't stayed there in over a year, so we had a good experience last time. So hopefully we will have the same experience this time, and we'll be sure to let you know what we think. We just got checked in here at Paris in Las Vegas. We're able to check in at 2:20, which is really nice, just to get all of our stuff out of the car and everything. So here is the restroom, decent sized vanity, and we are in the Bordeaux Tower. Really good sized shower.
Nice good sized shower.
Let's see what we got going on in here. Yeah,
It's
really.
got a rain and a handheld.
Yeah, very good size. It seems so clean in here.
Yeah.
Which is wonderful. The commode over there. And looks very much like our room when we stayed here over a year ago, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, like same.
And we like this tower.
Yeah, and really good sized room, if you can tell from the video. I mean, it's really nice and roomy. So 2 queen beds is what we have. And over here, so we have a closet and good sized drawers, I would say.
Yeah,
They're
3 of
deep.
those.
Yeah.
Safe.
Okay,
Free.
safe and fridge. Test it out,
Cold.
Tom.
It's cold.
Okay, we like cold because we've had so many refrigerators that don't work in rooms.
And another closet on the side.
Nice. Decent sized TV too, I would say.
Yeah.
That's like a good size.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. So over here, there's no coffee maker at all in these rooms. So just so you know, because they expect you to go down and buy their coffee. Little area, really expensive snacks. She told us the Fiji water's $18, which is insane. Little sitting area here. And I really think we had that same chair in our last room. That's funny. Same stuff. A dirty window, but it's really cloudy today. So we don't have a great view, but we can see the tip of the sphere, which is kind of cool. We can see that change, I'm sure. And cloudy, warm day. Doesn't look like it's warm out there, but it actually is. So we will, we're here for a few days. We're gonna see Bruno Mars tomorrow night, and we'll let you know what we think of our room. Hey you guys, we are checked out of Paris, Las Vegas, heading out of town, and we actually stayed 4 nights, which is a lot for us, in one location, and thankfully, we absolutely loved our room. I mean, it was like probably one of the most comfortable rooms, don't you think? And it's not contemporary modern decor, it's Parisian, but everything was so clean and well maintained. The carpets, the furniture, housekeeping there is amazing.
You do a great job.
I mean, our room was just like immaculate every day we'd come back, and the glass in the shower had been clean, the floors, the mirrors. Really can't say enough about it. And speaking of the shower, that was an awesome shower.
It was huge.
It was huge, and the water pressure was so good. Any of you with thick hair can relate that many times sometimes I'll stand under that shower head at a hotel and the water just like beads off my hair and I can't even get my hair wet underneath. This baby blew some water through it. It was
nice and hot.
And really hot immediately. I mean, just immediately hot water. So the shower was fantastic. I thought the beds were comfy.
Great linens, great pillows. Big room.
It was very good size, as you saw. Yeah, I mean, really a roomy room for a standard room, I would say.
Good size TV.
Yeah. And
nice refrigerator.
Right, that kept everything really cold.
Yeah.
And, you know, we're here in late August, and the air conditioner worked great.
Yeah.
And it was very steady.
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't like cycling
The
through.
fan worked great.
Yeah, I mean, very comfortable. And, I mean, check-in was really easy. Check out you can do online, which we always like and appreciate. Yeah. And I will say, so, you know, they have a parking structure, and if you're, is it platinum and above, it's free? Platinum above, self-parking's free. But just know, it is a walk from the parking structure. We were in the Bordeaux Tower, which is a closer tower.
And that's the closest one.
And we always bring a ton of stuff because we bring our Keurig.
I know, there's no coffee maker in the room, so we had to
and,
bring our coffee maker.
Yeah, so I mean, we had a ton of stuff we were lugging, but it's a walk. So just bear that in mind. You may have to take even 2 trips, which we probably should have.
Park as close to the elevator as you can. Go into a higher floor if you need to, you know, just so you get closer to the elevator. Yeah,
because,
it's a big garage.
Yeah, it really is. Yeah, but it worked out fine and very easy as far as getting in there and getting out took a little bit, but it was just there were a lot of people leaving, I think, at the time. So, and the casino, we didn't play a ton of machines there because it was so crowded. We couldn't even really get on machines.
Midweek in August before Labor Day, and it was packed.
Absolutely packed. So, you know, we found, you know, we were just going to the other Caesars properties right nearby because we could at least get on machines. So for whatever reason, Paris was absolutely slammed during the week, which was really something. But we'll definitely stay there again.
Oh, yeah.
We had this is our second time staying there, and
really good experience.
Really pleasant experience once again. So if you stayed at Paris, let us know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.